Hi, Yadz! Yes, and welcome to another episode of Yadz Travel. And today, this is a travel vlog, and we are going south. Yes, to where are we going to?
Wala. Kung asarat ako, dadon sa
Kung saan tayo dadalhin ng panahon at ng tadhana. So kasama ko ngayon kasi ang aking twinnie.
Hi! Uy, kailangan mo bayad na ka na ako kay perminan ko na sa mong vlog.
Sige. Subscribe to his Instagram. I'll put the link on below. Okay. Tapos ngayon, kasama ko rin si Cassie.
Uy, kada ko sa mong na.
Hi!
Hello everyone.
Yes, and of course, JF Videos.
Miyok naman to.
I am Miyok.
Ay, ang miyok naman to.
Yes. At ngayon guys, actually, pupunta kami South, Cebu South. Actually, this is just a marag random tour.
Travel.
Yes. Actually, kahapon lang namin to pinano. So,
Tagalog.
Tagalog dahil may mga viewers na tayo mga from the Manila.
From Luzon.
From Luzon. So, ayun guys. So, we'll be showing you our adventure. So, stick around. Bye! Hi guys! Time check, it's now 7 p.m. and we're here at Gas on the Grand Maalboal. So, namin diri karon para mangumpra. O ma'am siya diri. So, nag-is mag-short guys because di makita. Sakit akong taller. So, I need to stretch it. So, here we go! Hi guys, update. It's now. What's on oras today? 8?
Yeah.
It's 8 in the evening. And then mag-dinner mi karon. Nande mi sa Maalboal. Saan siya dali? Public market. So magami barbecue.
Production ng ligo-ligo sa
So, muna siya guys. So, then, ato na rin sa Badian after this dinner. So, Badian!
Naka-order na tag rice?
Oh, pat. Hi guys, update today. Time check, it's now, what's an oras? So, 9
9:45.
It's almost 10 in the evening and we arrived now here at Lambug, Badian. Nandito kami sa aming stayhan. So, hi! At ito ang aming Magic Buddha! So guys, rest muna kami ngayon. And then,
tomorrow,
actually, pumunta na kami sa dagat. So yun na guys. We'll see what we will do. Bye! Hi guys, good morning! So now, I'm just exploring and waiting for the sunrise here in Lambug Beach. And look at the view at my back. So that is the long stretch of Lambug Beach. And the other side is another seashore. Yes, so it's 5:30 in the morning and I think it's about to get parang sa sunrise na guys. So let's check it out. Hi guys, good morning, and we're here in Lambug Beach,
Baguio
Badian.
City!
Baguio! Oh, charot lang.
Lain town nasa Baguio, so hello to the people going to Baguio.
Hello guys.
Hi!
Oh, sige.
Okay, kaya
Strawberry jam.
Dili.
pabili kayo ng mga igorot. Sure.
Na igoro.
Ifugaw. Ifugaw daw, di igorot, pataka. So guys, we'll take you underwater. You like to see the butanding swim?
Dara na.
Okay guys, let's go. Are you ready? I will take you to the underwater experience. Okay guys, so the water here is very fresh and so cold right now. So we will go. We'll go and try to swim. Okay. Editso ra ni kasyang. Editso ra. Okay, let's go. Kasi naputol akong Chanel.
Anong kwento ng chinelas mo,
So
Day?
yun na nga guys, yung Chanel ko ay
Nalotop.
dahil sa muddy place na ito. Pulaban pa rin. So alam ko ng wishlist ko ngayong Pasko is a new pair of Havaianas. Size 4. So guys, we're now here at Badian at ngayon ay naglalangoy lang. Abay, kasakit ato.
Boto to, Doy.
At ngayon, ay! So ngayon kasalukuyan po tayo lumalangoy kasama ang mga butanding.
Langoy.
Lumalangoy.
Wa kalangoy kay gilubot sa okoy. Laba. Wa kalaba kay wife langgana.
Kuyawan. So ayan guys, we'll be hunting baby boys. Ding 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 ding. Oh my god, I can see someone there. Species of baby boys coming. Okay.
Para sa ako ang vlog. Hello guys! Hello! So we're here at Badian. And with my friends.
Hi. Do you like this scenery?
Do you like the view?
The views and opinion of the do not reflect those of the company and its management.
Furthermore, okay, bye.